Hi, my name is Myra Cagete, your Pinay English teacher here on YouTube. Today, I'll teach you 6 phrasal verbs about money. And be ready for a short quiz at the end of the video. Number 1, ripoff. Ripoff means to charge someone too much money for something. If someone rips you off, it means that this person asks you to pay more than the real price or value of a product or a service. So it's about cheating. It's about overcharging. Okay? So kapag ang isang tao ay sinisingil ka ng mas higit doon sa totoong presyo ng isang produkto or ng isang serbisyo, then it means that this person is ripping you off. For example, in some countries, it's quite common for the locals to rip off tourists. We all hate being ripped off. Have you been ripped off? Number 2, payback. Payback means to give the money that you borrowed back to someone or to repay an amount of money that was borrowed. In other words, magbayad ng utang. You can say pay someone back. It's an example of a separable phrasal verb. Nasa gitna yung object ng inyong phrasal verb. So we can say pay someone back. For example, I promise I'll pay you back next week. Or can I pay you back next week? Number 3, splash out. To splash out means to spend a lot of money or to spend lavishly. In Filipino, ang maaaring ibig sabihin nito ay gumastos ng napakalaking halaga para sa isang bagay. Pwede nating sundan ang splash out ng preposition na on. So, to splash out on something. After ng on, pwede ninyong banggitin kung ano yung isang bagay na ginastosan ng malaking halaga. For example, due to the pandemic crisis, a lot of couples decided not to splash out on their weddings. Or, despite the crisis, many people still decided to splash out on parties. Some people splash out on their trips abroad. Some people splash out on gadgets. Some people splash out on shoes. Some people splash out on bags. Number 4, get by. When you get by, it means you survive financially. You survive with a little amount of money or with the amount of money that is enough for you to be able to buy the things that you need to live. Kumbaga, makaraos in Filipino. If you get by, it means nakakaraos ka sa pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan mo. Nabibili mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mo para mabuhay. Hindi malaki yung sweldo ng asawa niya, pero nakakaraos sila sa araw-araw. Another example, we're a family of 6 and it's impossible to get by on $800 a month in this city. So yung get by ay pwedeng sundan ng on, ng preposition na on. And then after ng on, pwede ninyong banggitin kung magkano. So get by on $800. Number 5, chip in. Chip in means to contribute money for something. If each person in a group chips in, it means that they give a small amount of money or they give money. They contribute money in order to buy or pay for something together. For example, each of them chipped in to take their parents out to dinner. Or each of them chipped in 200 pesos to take their parents out to dinner. Pwede ninyong banggitin yung halaga, yung amount of money after chip in. Number 6, put aside.